This is a short video explaining the main outcomes of Polifonia's Meetups pilot and how it could be of interest to members of the stakeholder network. I'm Helen Barlow, a researcher in the music department of the Open University, and as a historian interested in the dissemination of music and musical ideas, I'm typical of the sort of people the Meetups pilot focuses on supporting: researchers, curators, teachers, students, and anyone with a curiosity about European musical and cultural heritage. The pilot does this by developing a tool for exploration and visualisation of encounters between people in the musical world in Europe from around 1800 to 1945. Such encounters were particularly significant in a period before broadcasting and recording technologies made it easy to disseminate and exchange musical ideas and influences. Information will be taken by a process of knowledge extraction from a number of public domain sources, such as biographies, memoirs, travel literature, and open access databases, including Wikipedia. The extracted information will make it possible to trace key points of cultural and musical exchange that may have been catalysts for musical change. It may also reveal unexpected connections and relationships that cast new light on aspects of European music history. The tool will not only provide citable identifiers that support referencing in research outputs, but also fill a gap by enabling users to discover and explore musical encounters in new ways, making them first-class citizens of musicology research.
I'm Hortense. I work as a music historian and a PhD supervisor. I'd like to explore a database of personalities relevant to musical and cultural heritage, focusing primarily on musicians' career, but also involving relevant people in sectors such as art, politics, and industry. I'm interested in the events and facts and how they are linked to source data such as biographies, letters, memoirs, and encyclopedias. I'd like to know where a musician may have traveled in their career, where and when they met other musicians, the context of these meetings, and also their significance in the wider story of that person's life. I'd like a system to allow me to make annotations on content, rate the quality of the sources and the accuracy of the statements, and curate collections of facts, statements, and events as a material for scholarship.
The application offers exploration of the data from one of three perspectives. Users are able to begin by exploring the biography of a specific person. An overview of their life is presented in the context of their musical interactions with others. These interactions, identified by knowledge extraction processes, are presented to the user spatially, temporally, and also in highlight form, indicating whose other paths they've crossed most frequently, popular locations, and the types of meetups they are usually associated with. Secondly, users are able to explore the data from the perspective of location. We can observe when the most active periods of interactions were, who the most active agents in this area might have been, and what type of meetups this area might have been best known for. Finally, we are able to offer users a multifaceted knowledge graph exploration tool that will combine spatial, temporal, and tabular tools to offer sophisticated ways to discover and compare their own uniquely curated datasets.